the cold summer has passed and a long hot summer is coming. It's already too hot to sleep. Every night before I go to bed, the wife and I argue whether to turn the air conditioning on or off.
What are you doing? The electric bill of this month was $100.
So I looked around at a lot of products, especially ones that were cheap, less power consuming, and that actually did their jobs. Fans, mini ACs, etc. Nothing really seemed to fit. Then I came across this amazing product that instantly caught my eye. This little guy right here. Amazing air conditioner. It's a really simple product. First, you take the ice out from your freezer. Take the unit apart. Place it in the unit. Lock it, and you're done. Simple, isn't it? Ah, you can also use it as an air purifier. Now let's try and turn this thing on. This is a really light and eco-friendly product. It has a tubular shape, and it can be placed anywhere you like. Well, I'm gonna go spend a cool and a hot night with my wife. See ya! Here I come, baby!